Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the new concept from the data mining called as a web mining. We know that what is the meaning of mining. Mining is nothing but finding the hidden information from the web in user desired pattern. So this is called as a mining. Now we know that sometimes we want to find out some information from the internet or from the web, and finding the information of from the web is nothing but the web mining. So let's discuss about the web mining, some of the introduction about the web mining. So we know that the size of world wide web is extremely uh, huge or big, and it is very difficult to find out the size of the data which is present on the world wide web. In 1999 it was estimated that over 3000 sorry 350 million pages are uploaded daily, and millions of pages are downloaded daily from the internet. So Google recently announced that it is having an index of 3 billion web documents. And we already discussed that Google is not revealing its database size. That is the secret. The web can be viewed as the largest database available and present in the world right now, but it is again presenting some challenging tasks for uh, effective design and access. As we know that as database is big, it is very difficult to manage the database. So it is important we have to make a very effective design to store the information and to access the information. As we are finding the information from the web, it is called as a web mining. Web mining is a mining of data related to the World Wide Web. This may be the data actually present in the web pages or the data related to the web activity accesses. Maybe we can call it, for example, we can uh, have a log data also, or sometimes we are tracking the information, user data, and so other data when we are storing in the web. So such kind of data is also present. Now, as we know that web data is very huge, it is classified into so many classes, like content of actual web pages, intra-page structure, which includes the HTML or XML code for the page, the interpage structure, which is called the structure, web structure, or interpage structure is the actual linkage structure between the pages. Then usage data that describes how web pages are accessed by the visitors. So these are the information which we can have at the time of web mining. As well as user profile includes the demographic and registration information obtained from the user, which is very useful for uh, pattern analysis. That is, user information and other things are very important when we want to track the pattern, or when we want to personalize the page for a particular user. Such information is very healthy information for personalization. So sometimes we'll find the information which is present in the cookies also. So sometimes we are asked to allow cookies. If we allow the cookies, then information is get stored, and after that this information is used for some other purpose in the web. Now, web mining task can be divided into several classes. The classes will be shown in the figure which is present in the next slide, and the taxonomy is also used. We will go to that slide within a minute. Now, web content mining examines the content of web pages as well as the result of web searching. So this is an important point. The whenever we are browsing the page, all the content and the web pages information is stored. So whatever we searched in the web, that is gets stored somewhere, and that is get definitely look after the server, and again that is again useful for the some personalization purpose, or sometimes if you want to find out the pattern tracking, then this information is very useful. The content includes text as well as graphics data. We know that in the internet we are having textual data, graphics data, video data, and so many formats are available. So this complete activities are get tracked. Web content mining is again further divided into uh, web page content mining and search result mining. So we'll go to the next slide which describes everything. Now in this slide we are presenting a web mining taxonomy, where this is the first thing that is called as web mining. This is the root. Web mining is uh, divided into three different parts, that is web content mining, web structure mining, and web usage mining. Now web content mining, what we are talking right now. Web content mining means finding out the content from the web. That may be in a textual format, that may be graphics, audio, video, whatever it may be. We are trying to find out the content from the web. This web content mining is again divided into two parts. One is web page content mining, and second one is search result mining. So web page content mining is nothing but the mining which we are doing as a user, and server is taking care of all the search which we apply on the web. So that result is also get stored somewhere, and we can again mine this search for further processes. Right now we are not talking about the web structure mining. Then we are having a web usage mining. We'll go to this mining also. So web usage mining is all about how we use the web or the information, how we access the information, how we what is the sequence of access. So everything is gets stored. That is nothing but this web usage mining is divided into general access pattern tracking and customized user tracking. So general access pattern tracking is the tracking of user activities, and again we can customize the tracking for user. Whatever the user track, we can customize his or her search. So this is web mining taxonomy, or introduction of the web mining. Thank you.